Good morning, students. This is Mrs. Kamdar. I'm going to explain your assignment for today, Tuesday, November 17th. You need to go to classwork. Then you need to scroll down and open your notebooks. And then once you open your notebooks, you also need to open assignment 012. When you go there, you are going to open the agenda and follow the directions in the agenda and what you need to do. Once you open your agenda, you will notice that you will be working, if you look at step 3, you will be working on slide 18 in your digital notebook, and you will finish slide 19 after we do Nearpod together in class. After you're done with those two slides, 18 and 19, then you will create a screencastify explaining what did you learn today. Okay, that's kind of like your exit ticket. So if you need to know how to use screencastify, you can click on it here and it will give you a link to go watch a YouTube video that shows you how to use screencastify. If you don't need to watch the video, then you don't have to. You can just make the screencastify. And that's what we're doing today. We're working in our digital notebooks on slides 18 for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to do slide 19 in your digital notebook. After we finish Nearpod, you do slide 19. Hope this was helpful. See you later. Bye.